Hi, are you looking for a social media manager here in Kenya? Someone who understands your brands and create content that resonates with your audience, that's going to convert, grow, and ensure you are visible online? If yes, that is what I do, or that's what we do at Haven Digital Hub. So how do we work together? You're going to reach out to me via my email or my number or via WhatsApp. I'm going to send you a link where you're going to book a discovery call. That's how I'm going to understand what's your business, what do you do, and what help do you need, or what do your business need. After that, I'm going to send you a contract and an invoice, and you're going to pay half of the amount, and now we can come in and start working on your page. So what happens? Once you put in the deposit, I'm going to take 1 week, which will not be counted as a working week, to understand your business, to go through your business, see what you've been doing, understand what you do, understand your industry before I can start creating a strategy. I'll go ahead and create a strategy, and then I'll send it to you, create a content calendar with content ideas. Once you approve everything, we're going to schedule for a shoot days. Now, the shoot days happens once every week, but any other day that I am needed, for example, maybe there is a big trend and we have to hop on into it, I'll come to your office and we will do that. So I'll be working from home, I'll be posting from home, but if there's a need for me to come to your office, for example, there's a huge trend and I feel like we need to hop into it, I'm going to talk to you, we're going to arrange, I'm going to come in, we do it. To reach out to me, my number is here, and on the description box you can also send me an email and just tell me what you need. Let's work on that business.